Good morning, dear students. Last class we are discussed about some algebraic identities: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, x plus a into x plus b, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a plus b plus c whole square. Like that, there are eight identities we learn. In this class, we are using those identities. How to solve the problems? See, first one problem: evaluate each of the following using suitable identities. First one problem: 3a plus 4b whole cube. This is a form of a plus b whole cube. What is the expansion form of a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the expansion form of a plus b whole cube. Once again, a plus b whole cube expansion form is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the expansion form of a plus b whole cube. Now apply the identity. 3a plus 4b whole cube. This is a form of a plus b whole cube. a plus 3a is there, 2b plus 4b is there. a cube 3a whole cube plus b cube 4b whole cube plus 3ab 3 into a. In a plus 3a is there, b plus 4b is there, into a plus b 3a plus 4b. Now simplify. 3a whole cube means 3a into 3a into 3a 3 times 3a into 3a into 3a. 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27. a into a into a cube. The final answer is 27a cube. Plus 4b whole cube means 4b into 4b into 4b. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. 64 b into b into b, b cube. 64 b cube. Plus into plus into plus. 3 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36. 36 into ab, 36 ab into 3a plus 4b. Again simplify. 27 a cube write as it is. 64 b cube write as it is. Plus into plus. 36 3 is how much? 108. 108. A into a square b. Plus into plus. 36 4 is how much? 144. 4 6 is 24. 4 2 carry. 4 3 is 20. 12 plus 2 144. ab into b, a b square. This is the final answer. The expansion form of 3a plus 4b whole cube is 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 108a square b plus 144ab square. Any doubt regarding this one? Next we go to second problem. 5p minus 3q whole cube. Once again, 5p minus 3q whole cube. This is a form of a minus b whole cube. What is the expansion form of a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Once again, the expansion form of a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Now apply the values. A cube means 5b whole cube minus b cube. b plus 3q is the 3q whole cube. Next, minus 3ab. 3 into a plus 5b is there. b plus 3q into a minus b. 5p minus 3q. Now simplify. 5p whole cube means 5p into 5p into 5p. 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. 125 p into p into p cube minus 3q whole cube means 3q into 3q into 3q. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 q into q cube. Minus into plus minus into plus minus 3 5 is 15. 15 3 is 45. 45 into p cube, 45 p cube. This one last one right here is 5q minus 3q. Another one step is there. 125 p cube right here it is. 27 q cube right here it is. Minus into plus minus 45 5 is 225. 225 p into p square cube. Minus into minus plus 45 3 is 45 3 is how much? 135. 135 pq into q, pq square the extension form of 5p minus 3q whole cube is 125p cube minus 27q cube minus 225p square cube plus 135p cube square. This is the extension form of 5p minus 3q whole cube. Any doubt regarding this one, children? Next going to third problem. Next problem is 104 whole cube. 104 is written as 100 plus 4 whole cube. Now this is a form of a plus b whole cube. What is the extension form of a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Apply the formula. This is a value is 100, b value is 4. A cube 100 cube plus b cube 4 cube plus 3ab 3 into a into b. A plus 100, b plus 4. Substitute the value in a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 4. Into a plus b, 100 plus 4. Now simplify. 100 cube means 100 into 100 into 100. See? 100 into 100 into 100. How to simplify this one? 1 1 ja 1. 1 1 ja 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 6 zeros on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will become 10 lakh. The value of 100 cube is 10 lakh. Value of 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. 3 into 100, 300, 304 ja. Otherwise, 3 1 ja 3, 4 ja 12. Put 2 zeros on the right side. 1200. 100 plus 4, 104. Otherwise, you should write 100 plus 4 as it is for simplification purpose. Now write 10 lakh 64. 12 1 ja 12. Put 1 2 3 4. 4 0 on the right side. Plus into plus plus. 12 4 ja 48. Put 2 zeros on the right side. Now add all. This 10 lakh. Next 64. Next 1 10 100,000 10,000 lakh. 1 lakh 20,000. Next 4,800. Hard. 4. This will become 6. This will become 8. 4 2 1 1. The final answer is 11,44,864. Need out regarding this one, children? Next going to D1 problem. D1 problem is 999 whole cube. 999 is given as 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1 whole cube. Using the identity to solve the problems. Next, this is a form of a minus b whole cube. What is the expression form of a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Using this identity, solve the problem. In a plus 1000 is the 1000 cube minus b cube 1 cube minus 3ab. 3 into a value is 1000, b value is 1 into a minus b. 1000 minus 1. Now simplify. 1000 whole cube means 1000 into 1000 into 1000, right? 1000 into 1000 into 1000. Very easy simplification. 1 1 ja 1. 1 1 ja 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Put 9 0 on the right side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 10 100,000 10,000 100,000 million 10 million 100 million billion. This value is 1 billion in an international number system. According to Indian number system, 1 10 100,000 10,000 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore 10 crore 100 crore. 100 crore means 1 billion, right? 1 billion. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9 zeros. 1 cube value is 1. 1 into 1 into 1. 1. 3 1 is 3. Put 3 zeros on the right side. Next, 1000 minus 1 by calculus. Let's simplify. This 1 million right here it is, otherwise 100 crore right here it is, minus 1 right here it is, minus into plus, minus 3 1 ja 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 zeros on the right side. This will become 30 lakh. Minus into minus plus 3 1 ja 3 zeros on the right side. This will become 3000. Next, add positive values. This one positive value, this one also positive value. Now this will become 100 crore 3000. Add this to this is 30 lakh minus 1 minus 30 lakh 1. Now subtract. This is 100 crore 3000. 30 lakh 1. This will become 10, 10 minus 1, 9. This will become 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. This will become 2, 2 minus 0, 2. 0, 0 minus 0, 0. This will become 10, 10 minus 3, 7. This will become 9. 9 minus 0, 9. This will become 9, 9 minus 0, 1. This will become 0. The final answer is 99 crore 70 lakh 2999. Any doubt regarding this one, children? Okay, thank you.